This is a warning shot, and India is watching closely. Washington is sharpening its economic weapons, and this time the target is not Russia, but Russia's biggest energy buyer, including India. You're watching Times XP, it's me, Dhriti Atri, bringing you the big headline. A powerful new US sanction bill, one that threatens up to 500% tariff, has just received a green light from US President Donald Trump. Yes, 500%. Let's talk about what this bill is really about and why it matters a lot. It's called Graham-Blumenthal Russia Sanction Bill. Bipartisan, hardline, and designed to choke Russia's economy by punishing its trading partners. Not Moscow directly, but the countries that keep buying from Moscow. And who could be hit? Well, according to its sponsors, India, China, Brazil, and any other nation that continues to buy Russian oil, Russian gas, or Russian uranium. The logic is very simple but very brutal here. If you buy Russian energy, Washington says you are fueling Vladimir Putin's war machine. What exactly does that bill allow? Let's talk about that. Well, if this particular bill is passed, it would give the United States president sweeping power to impose secondary sanctions, levy tariffs as high as 500%, target countries that knowingly trade with Russia. This is not symbolic pressure, this is economic shock therapy. And now comes the key moment here. Republican Senator Lindsey Graham said that he personally met US President Donald Trump at the White House. According to Graham, Trump had approved the bill moving forward. Well, the White House has quietly confirmed it. Let me translate it for you. The bill now has presidential backing. Why now? Because Graham says that the timing is deliberate. According to him, Ukraine is making painful concessions for peace. He claims Russia, all talk, continue attacking. So the message from Washington is clear. If diplomacy fails, economic punishment escalates. But here's the complication. India has dramatically increased its purchases of discounted Russian oil since the Ukraine war began. Why? Energy security, inflation control, and strategic autonomy. From New Delhi's point of view, it's national interest, right? But from Washington's point of view, it's a problem. This bill puts India in a very difficult position. On one side, we have long-standing ties with Russia, affordable energy imports, strategic independence. On the other hand, we have a critical partnership with the US, trade access to Western markets, in fact, growing geopolitical coordination. A 500% tariff is not a slap, it's a trade earthquake. Senator Graham says that a vote could come as early as next week. Though timing is tricky because Congress is debating government funding, a Senate recess is coming up. But still, momentum is clearly building. The bill already has dozens of Senate co-sponsors. A companion bill in the House, support from powerful defense hawks. Wait, there's also a bigger strategy at play here. The Trump administration is still pushing for Ukraine peace deal. Key negotiators include Special Envoy Steve Witkoff, Trump's son-in-law, Jared Kushner. Sanctions in his context, they are leverage. Pressure Russia's partners. Force movement at the negotiating table here. So here's the bottom line, ladies and gentlemen. This is not just a bill. It's a message to the world. America is basically saying that you cannot stay neutral forever. You cannot trade with Russia without any consequences. Now for India, this could become a major diplomatic and economic test. And if this particular bill passes, then the global energy trade and global alliances may never look the same.